Hi guys, so I am going to be playing with puppets today, or fidgets, and we're going to see how satisfying, which one is the most satisfying, and you guys in the comment section below are going to comment which one you think is the most satisfying. So we'll start with the Among Us one first. Okay, now let's do the Among Us one. Not Among Us, octopus. Okay, we have my infinity cube. Okay, I have my rainbow puppet. Okay, we have my bat puppet. My fidget spinner. My fidget spinner puppet. Then we have my Iron Man puppet. And last but not least, we have my last fidget spinner. I have more fidgets, I just couldn't find them today. So I'll do a different video where I like do all of them. But this is just like a different thing. So I will post a video tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to comment in the section below. Bye.